What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing, unbagging. As you can see here, we got a box and a bag, right? And this is for a new jacket that I just picked up, and it's actually a hoodie. It's the ORORO Heated apparel, and it's the 3-zone fleece heated hoodie, size large in black. So as you can see, I just got this in the mail today. And we're just going to give it a quick unbagging and see what's actually inside here. Okay. So it looks like it comes in a nice little packet here, as you can see. That's nice. You can actually throw it in the truck or in the car when you're not using it. Alright. So that's the battery charger. Let's open that up. 5 volt, 3 amp battery charger. Here's the instructions. Power cord, USB-C, and the actual charger. Let me see if I can barely see it. 4 amp hour, that's not bad. 4 amp hour, that's not bad. So it should charge pretty quickly, as you guys can see here. USB-C, USB. Alright, so obviously this is probably the battery pack. Let's open that up. Gee, looks tight. There we go. Instructions. And obviously the battery pack. Pretty small. It's actually pretty small. LED indicator. So I'm guessing that's 25, 50, 75, and 100. There's your plug-in. And it's 5300 milliamp battery. So it's not big, but supposedly you get like 10 to 12 hours out of this thing. So we'll see. And obviously that's probably on low heat. Alright, so this is the actual hoodie. Open this up. Okay. Right, first thing I can see that quality control is not that good. This thing is not straight. Kind of disappointed in that. Seems like a nice and sturdy, nice heavy weight hoodie. Yeah. Alright, let's open this thing up, take a look inside. So we got like a fleece lining inside. That's probably one of your heating elements right here. Yeah, it's actually soft. You don't even feel it, to be honest with you. Right there. That's nice. That's probably the other heating element right there in the back. And probably the other one over here. So this unit only has 3 heating elements. And from what I saw online, yep, right here, this is the pocket. And this is the plug. So it seems like it's pretty warm. Looks like it's nice. This is soft, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna break on you, which is nice. Again, it's all fleece lined, and it feels pretty good. It's definitely stitched nice. You know, cuffs, not super huge, normal. And the waist is also cuffed, as you can see. YKK zipper, which is one of the better brand zippers that you can get. And yep, obviously it's a heated apparel. And that's about it, guys. Please note returns will only be accepted if the tags remain attached. So, looks like it's embroidered. Nothing on the back. Yeah, look, I mean, it's other than being your basic hoodie, you know, it's heated, but it looks like your basic hoodie, which is fine. Like I said, I'm kind of a little disappointed that that's not straight, but see it? Can you see that? It's a little crooked, which is, again, disappointing, especially for the price point. It was just over $100. There's a sale right now on Amazon. And if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the description, all right, the link in the description below. So if you guys are interested, just check it out. But once again, it's just a regular hoodie with a heated element. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.